Wales is set to get £445 million worth of money over the next 10 years for rail funding. It's going to go towards things like new stations, electrification around Wales, but more needs to be done according to people I've spoken to. So we're finding out what they would like to see happen to the rail network around South Wales.
It's always disruptions, it seemed to be. I used to go to Swansea a lot a couple of years back. It's a lot of disruptions and not always get into time to London, so hopefully that will change that.
I think that there should definitely be like some toilets maybe where I live, like on the stations, because like I gotta go home to literally just go to the toilet if I'm waiting for the train or something, because there's nothing there. There's like no cafes or whatsoever at the train station. I just reckon like they should maybe put like some cafes, maybe some toilets as well.
I'd like to see better service to West Wales, because it's just taken me 3 hours 25 minutes to come from Pembroke. So a faster train would be great. Around Cardiff, if I'm going around Cardiff, I must admit they're quite frequent. So, you know, I'm quite happy with that. But it's the longer journeys I think they need to address.
I use Dennis Powys, which is quite local to me. It's only 3 or 4 steps down the road from here. Cardiff Central is fine. The only complaint I'll make is that the services, especially to go up north, for instance, my trip to Birmingham was, instead of a 9-car service, it was 3. So everybody was standing. It's just not viable, you know.
Yeah, there is a train station. I think there should be like newer trains to make it like more out there, like, you know, the new class 231s, they're the newer ones that run across Cogan. There should be more of them because, well, it looked nicer and people are like, oh, that looks like a nice, comfortable, reliable train, you know. People want comfort, to travel, and reliable transport, you know.
Well, to be honest, it's like a long journey from Yeovil, from down Somerset in England, over 2 hours, but it was quite great. I managed to rest a little bit on the train as well. Quite a good experience, to be fair. Like, very smooth.
Yeah, so I live in areas where trains are, yeah. So don't think there's anywhere about, yeah, you get what I mean.
It's been quite very easy. And, you know, I like the fact that once you just go inside there, the signs are there and it's available. And the train staff, station staff are also very nice. Today, when I was going to Newport, I bought a ticket and then I mistakenly bought it for Barry. And then I went to the train station staff and she happily changed it for me and then updated it for me, which was quite very nice. Yeah.